On its way back to Earth from its visit to asteroid Bennu, NASA's asteroid sampling OSIRIS-REx spacecraft will take a trip to another space rock. The spacecraft will swing by Earth to deliver a sample from asteroid Bennu on September 24, 2023. But it won't clock out after that. OSIRIS-REx is visiting the infamous asteroid Apophis, which will have a close encounter with Earth in 2029. NASA has extended the University of Arizona-led mission. It will be renamed OSIRIS-APEX, which is short for OSIRIS-Apophis Explorer. The University of Arizona will lead the new mission, which will make its first maneuver toward Apophis just 30 days after the OSIRIS-REx spacecraft delivers the sample it collected from Bennu back in October 2020. The original mission team will then split. The sample analysis team will analyze the Bennu sample, while the spacecraft and instrument team transitions to OSIRIS-APEX. Planetary Sciences Professor Daniella DellaGiustina, OSIRIS-REx Deputy Principal Investigator, will then become the new mission's leader. The OSIRIS-REx spacecraft was built for what's called a rendezvous mission. Instead of making a single flyby of an object and quickly snapping images and collecting data, it was designed to get close and personal with the object. "Our spacecraft is really phenomenal at that," DellaGiustina said. OSIRIS-REx is the first NASA mission to collect and return a sample from a near-Earth asteroid. OSIRIS-APEX will not collect a sample, but when it reaches Apophis, it will study the asteroid for 18 months and collect data along the way. It also will make a maneuver similar to the one it made during sample collection at Bennu, by approaching the surface and firing its thrusters. This event will expose the asteroid's subsurface to allow mission scientists to learn more about the asteroid's material properties. Apophis is one of the most infamous asteroids we've come to know. When it was first discovered in 2004, there was concern that it would impact the Earth in 2029 during its close approach. Apophis' large size added to this concern, as it stretches 340 meters across, roughly the size of the Eiffel Tower, and about 10 times larger than the meteorite that 50,000 years ago created Meteor Crater in Arizona. The impact of this giant asteroid on Earth would be a significant regional disaster. After subsequent observations, however, that risk was retired. But no other asteroid of this size has gotten closer to Earth in the 50 or so years since near-Earth objects have been closely tracked. Scientists thought Apophis might also pose a minor threat to Earth during a flyby in 2068, but newer observations ruled out that threat, at least for the next 100 years. Still, with the asteroid only coming to within a tenth of the Earth-Moon distance in 2029, people in Europe and Africa will be able to see it with the naked eye. That's how close it will get, Dani DellaGiustina said. Thank you for watching. And please, don't forget to subscribe.